Hello everyone. So first of all, congratulations if you made this far into this playlist or course. I am pretty confident that now you know what is Git and how to use it. How to use Git to manage your project or your work and boost up your productivity. Now let's see some of the further resources. First thing is our Git doc. So what you can do, you can go to the Git documentation. You can view all the references here. You will find all the references, and believe me, majority of this has been covered in our course. Okay, as you can see, Git blame, we do rebase, we do cherry pick, log. We have done all the important commands already, but still there is never enough. So you can simply go through these resources. There is book also. You can have a look. Okay, and you can explore the Git doc overall for further enhancing your knowledge. Second and most important thing is experimentation. Whatever commands you are learning, whatever you are learning the new things in Git, you should apply in your repository. Okay, you should not be afraid of experimentation. Always do the experimentation. Don't just read the command and keep it. Always apply. That's how you will learn. And try to explore your Git overall. Try to see what is there inside the .git folder. Try to see what is object folders and so on and so forth. Third thing is ChatGPT. You learn the doc, now you know the command. And you, first of all, if you don't understood directly also, try to put that command in git bash and see what is coming. That will give you the understanding. And if you mess it up, you can ask ChatGPT how to clear those particular errors. Or maybe you can ask ChatGPT for the explanation for a particular command. Or maybe you have some problem in your Git repo. You can ask ChatGPT to resolve it. Okay. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT for learning purposes and in the professional world or in the software industry, you can put the comments and we will definitely bring you a brief course on that also. And fourth and very important thing is go to skillanything.com. Okay, in skillanything.com, you will find plenty of free courses and resources. Also, there are live courses and paid courses also. You can enhance your skills from here. Okay, and fifth thing is our Skill Anything YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed yet, you must subscribe and stay tuned. Why I am telling soon we are gonna bring Git remote course also or playlist. There we will teach everything about GitHub, GitLab, and we will see what is Git hooks, GitHub hooks, how to perform automations, how we can set up the CI/CD using the GitHub actions or using the GitLab. So, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to Skill Anything YouTube channel. So, that's it for this video and keep on learning, keep on updating and keep on growing. So, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.